Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. So as you can see to my screen computer, so it is called Twisted or Swirl Ribbon Design. So this is a 3D design. So what can you do? Just you can see and watch this complete video, then you can learn something from here. So I'm gonna tag it. So get ready to start. So first of all, I needed to small this one, and I needed to keep to this corner side right there, as you can see. So basically, what to do? I needed first the ellipse tool. You can see in the dashboard. This is so many tools here. You need ellipse tool. Yes, I select, as you can see. So I'm putting here like that. You can see like that. Okay, that's fine. So first of all, I need to now stop this fill color. So how? Yes, I done it this one. So okay, so right now I just to put it this one in the center. I think it will be more better. So right now, just I need to copy this one. How should I copy? Just press Alt and like data down here. You see? How should I this? Yes, exactly. I have done it this one. So again, what should I do? I need just to the line segment tool. You see? So many tools here, but I need exactly this alignment tool. So what can I do? I just to by pressing Shift key and I just straight to the down. So right now I just copy this one. Another need to copy. First of all, I need to put it here, set it here. Yes, exactly. It's is you have a day confused, just be this one like that, like that. Yes, exactly. We can do this one like that. There's a little bit here, I think a little bit here, or okay, this fine. Little bit, I think a little bit here, or like that. Yes, okay. Let me see what happened is there. So okay, I think it's fine. I'm not I don't know. So I need to put it over here, a little bit like that. Okay, I think just fine. So I need a little bit here like that. So okay, I think it's okay. So I need to now copy again by pressing Alt key, and I need to just to copy. Yes, exactly. I cannot do this one. So what should I do? I just select all the things, then go to the shape builder tool. Let's go. And I need it now just color change here. I'm here. Just right now just press here and the key and here right there. Almost done at the shape. So okay. So I'm gonna here again. I need to now just cut all the things. Press delete and select this one. Delete key again. Yes, clear. Unnecessary things I need nada. So I need here just put a designer. Again, I go to the here and I go build shape builder tool and yes. Oh my god, how happened is this? Sorry for that. I need to go again to the color and just do the here, here. Yes, same, no problem. So I'm sorry for that. So I need to now just to figure this one. I need to now figure. Okay, let me now select fast and go to the again. Should be able to. No, 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 no. Sorry for that. It's not okay. So I need to just select this one and come to. I need a copy. Actually, I need a copy and a pass. So what kind of short tricks? That means the Control C and Control F. It will be better. So already done here. Let it be here. Yes, you see, as you can see, this happened. So right now, I just one select a little bit small here, and I need to just to copy all the things, and I need it just like that by pressing shift key. Yes, okay. So again, I need it just to set here exactly what I can do. Yes, I need. Yes, I need it. Already done. So again, I need to go to the shape builder tool and like that. Oh, did not match. Maybe something wrong here. I think something wrong. It's not missing. Something wrong maybe. Go to here. Something wrong. Go to the here and go here. No, no, no. Something wrong. Maybe. I need it just to here. Go to here. Okay, so let me try again. What is happening? I don't know. Yes, you see? So, the guys, sometimes like that, you should here, you should do like that, otherwise it makes a problem. So, I need to know just to what, uh, just here like that by pressing Shift key and keep here and copy this one, copy and put it here, put it right inside. Yes. So again, I need to now just to what go to the shape builder tool and go to here. This again, I like that. It's a problem. I think happened already. So I needed that's just good. Not it was not good actually. Maybe something wrong. Okay. So I need it again go to here like that. Yes, you see? Happen. Yes, so sometimes we need careless or sometimes we cannot do concentration in the design. But it tends to happen. It may happen, no problem. So I need to now just take color like that. So first of all, I need to go to the in here and go here. You see, go here. You see, go here, and as you can see, you just to gradient, go to the gradient, go to the gradient. So here, guys, you see exactly no difference between this one. So this is the guys, very fantastic design. There is no difference between the two guy, the things. See, everything is okay. no difference between this one. So it is looking better, I think. So okay, that's fine. I needed one to delete all the things. Just needed to only one. You see, this is fantastic. So the guys, this is all what I wanted to show you or tutorial as a tutorial or serial ribbon 3D logo design. So thanks for watching.